Say it again.
Come here. I've heard something in the woods. You must come so I can check it out. See, I see it. I see it. Something large. Something very large. Very large. Too large. Ah, what's the break? I forgot what the break was. Look. Alright. We're gonna check it out. We're gonna check it out. The alligator, I'll grab it. I'll grab it. Ready?
Oh, poor Sammy.
I don't know where to put
You're going in circles and I'm getting dizzy, so can we find a place
sorry.
to sit, please?
Okay. Over there. It is a minor squirrel. Oh, the bird! And I must say, thank you for watching. /Steve.